Welcome back. Well, we have moved out here on the weather deck. Why? Because Chemical Kim is in the house. Today we're going to be talking about gases, which happens to be one of the favorite subjects of the 14-year-old boy that lives in my head. And we're going to do some exploding balloons.
You know, 14-year-olds, not just 4, but 24-years-olds, 34, 54-years-olds, they've all told me, Chemical Kim, you don't explode enough. So I'm going to listen to that, and that's what we're doing.
This one, I remember the best one that I can remember is was that whole Mentos thing that we did. That was a good one. So what are we going to be creating today that is going to explode momentarily?
We're going to make some gas. And, you know, everyone knows gas, but I'm going to show you the safe gas you can do at home, and then the gas that I'm going to make and we're going to explode is not the so safe gas. But anyway, this is just your basic, baking soda and vinegar. And Steph, I'm going to give you some smell on your hand. This is going to be very nice for you.
Okay. This is good because it's covered with ginger ale from an earlier segment.
Good, you'll have all flavors. Okay, and the reason I do this on your hand is because what's really cool is that you can actually feel that gas. I mean, you can see it, but can you really feel that gas in your hand?
I can feel it like bubbling on my hand.
Exactly. And so what you're going to do, that was vinegar, and the powder is the baking soda. Here, you can wipe your hand off.
Okay, thank you.
You're going to create a safe gas inside this container, and I'm going to create a not so safe gas, meaning that's very combustible. Okay.
All right.
So the gas that you're going to make, and I'll explain it as we go, you're going to take a funnel. And put the funnel inside your balloon. Here.
Oh, the balloon.
I'm going to trade you. You get the blue.
Okay.
And this is going to allow you to put the baking soda into that balloon. So just kind of, tip it in
there?
Yeah, just tap it in. You can just kind of pour it like this. And then you just got to do a little shake to get it down. Now I'm putting a metal inside my balloon. Okay, and you're putting baking soda.
Do I put a lot? Like I have about this much.
Yeah, about a teaspoon's good. No, that's good. Now you're going to pour vinegar, probably about, half a cup, but that's, on yours you could do like 125 milliliters. You don't have to be exact, but just
I left math back in 12th grade.
I know, and I forgot the balances today.
Did you say 125?
Yeah, 125. And I'm actually going to do a little bit less. And both of our liquids, look at them.
They seem to look kind of the same, but yours is a whole lot more potent because you only need that much.
So we say. Okay, mine is actually an acid. Okay, and yours is an acid too. Yours is vinegar, acetic acid. Mine is hydrochloric acid. Now you're going to take your balloon, and you're going to place it over the top of the Erlenmeyer flask. I'll hold the flask for you.
Like that?
Yep, and then on the count of 3, we're going to inflate the balloons. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. And of course, as the... Here, hold that up. Wait.
I just want I'm afraid it's going to explode.
No, I'm a wuss. You're good, you're good. Don't worry. It's going to get better.
You're like, show some guts, Webb.
Okay, now look how tiny my balloon is and how big yours is.
You made balloon.
You made carbon dioxide, and I'm going to show you in a second with this wee tiny little balloon what I made. And I'm going to ignite both of these. You can take yours off if you are. Just leave yours. You can leave yours.
Is something bad going to happen if I take it off, though?
No.
Is it good? It's good?
It's good. Okay, so I actually have already onto this stick here put your gas.
Okay.
Right there.
So that's mine, the big blue one right there.
Yeah, and let's come on over on this side, stuff. This is where it gets fun.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to ignite your gas.
Okay.
Ready? Don't worry, I'll let you'll have some fun with this.
Wow, that's a good one.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now
Wait a minute, is this going to be bad? Do I need to stand back
No,
here?
you're good. This is your gas.
Why do you have safe glasses on and I don't?
Oh, you don't have your safety glasses, Steph.
See, look at I'm very safety conscious because I'm quite frightened.
Okay, right, I'll put it over on this side. Ready? Okay, so this is the gas that I made. If we get the...
I feel like I want to plug my ears.
Well, here.
All right.
There we go. Ready?
There we go. Oh, God.
Okay, little top, right? Right?
That was
fantastic. Let's have fun. That was hydrogen gas is what I made. Okay, so combining, there was actually the first production of hydrogen gas synthetically in the laboratory that we did in the mid of the 1500s. And we took just a metal with an acid and we made a gas. So, of course, I made a little bit more of this.
Okay.
And I'm going to let you do the honors.
Okay.
Ready, Steph? We shall share this
over
together.
Here. Okay.
Ready? Now, of course, these are hydrogen-filled balloons.
Oh, my God.
Awesome. Ready?
Nice.
One more. Ready? Oh,
God.
See that? Now, I wanted to illustrate made this demonstration to let people know these are actually gas. This is actually in a gas that you could make at home, and it's not safe. You can clearly see it's not safe.
Very much so.
This is just a shout out. It's a fun experiment to demonstrate for sure, very safely, but be very cautious with what you're mixing with at home when you're experimenting.
Absolutely.
So,
all right, that was good
there.
stuff. Thank you for bringing some explosions to our Friday. That was fantastic.